Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Affiliate Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review. So let's start it. So today we are exploring an inspiring TEDx talk titled Finding Your Passion by Neelam Hanif. One of the biggest questions young people ask is that what should I do with my life? What is my passion and how do I find a purpose? So many of us feel confused while choosing career, interest, or life direction. Society often ex- expects quick decisions, but self discovery take time. Through this TEDx talk, we will understand how passion develops, why people struggle to find it, and how we can begin our own journey toward meaningful success. Let's start this journey to discover together. So, first, we talk about the speaker. Neelam Hanif shares a powerful message about self awareness and growth. Her talk focuses on discovering personal interests, understanding strength, overcoming fear and confusion, building confidence. She explains that passion is not limited to talent alone. Instead, passion grows through exploration, learning, and persistence. Her message especially connects with students and young professionals who feel unsecure and unsure about their future. So then we talk about the understanding passion. Many people think passion is something you are born with, but Nilam Hanif explains that passion is created, not simply discovered. Passion develops when curiosity meets efforts, interest meets consistency, and learning meets patience. You may start with a simple interest: drawing, coding, teaching, speaking, or creating content. With practice, that interest becomes passion. Passion is not magic; it is commitment. So then we talk about why finding passions feels difficult. Many individuals struggle because of social expectations. Families often push traditional career paths. Fear of failure. People avoid trying new things because they fear mistakes. Fear of failure, people avoid trying new things because they fear mistakes. Comparison culture, social media makes us believe everyone else already knows their purpose. Lack of exploration, when people never experiment with their different skills. Neelam Hanif reminds us that confusion is normally and even necessary for growth. Then we talk about self discovery and exploration. Finding passion begins with knowing yourself. Ask yourself that what activities make me excited, what topics do I enjoy learning, and what problems do I like solving. Self discovery requires experimentation. So try that creative activities, technology skills, and communication projects, and leadership opportunities. Every experience teaches something valuable. You cannot find passion without trying. So then we talk about the passion versus career. An important lesson from the talk is that passion and career do not always start together. Many successful people begin their passion as hobbies, our time, interests, skills, confidence, and profession. You do not need immediate success. Growth happens step by step. So then we talk about the role of hard work. Passion without efforts cannot survive. Neelam Hanif emphasizes discipline, that practicing regularly, improving skills, and starting consistent. Passion grows stronger through dedication. Hard work transforms interest into excellence. Then we talk about the overcoming fear and doubt. When you follow passion, people may doubt you. You might hear, be realistic, this is risky, and choose something safe. But every successful journey begins with uncertainty. Confidence develops when you continue despite fear. Failure is not an ending, it is feedback. So then we talk about the growth mindset. Passionate people never stop learning. They accept mistake, learn new skills, and stay curious. Instead of asking, "Am I good enough?" and ask, "Am I willing to improve?" Growth mindset turns challenges into opportunities. So then we talk about the passion and happiness. True happiness comes from meaningful work. Money and success are important, but fulfillment comes from doing something that feels purposeful. When passion aligns with efforts, motivation increases, creativity improves, and confidence grows. Passionate life feels meaningful. So then I talk about the personal reflection. After watching this TEDx talk, I realized that many of us wait for certainty before starting, but clarity comes through action. You discover your path while walking it. Every attempt reaches and teach something new about yourself. Then we talk about the practical steps to find passion. Here are practical steps inspired by the talk. So, explore different interests, give yourself permission to fail, practice consistently, learn from mentors, stay patient with growth. Passion is a journey, not a destination. So, English and Urdu version reflection. Watching this talk in both English and Urdu makes the message more relatable. Language challenges, but inspiration remains the same. The talk connects deeply with people from different backgrounds and cultures. So, tell me that what activities make you feel alive, and how you discover your passion yet, and what fear stops you from following your dreams. Encourage that. um Then we talk about the emotional closing message. Before ending, I want to remind you that finding passion is not a race. Some people discover it early and some discover it later. Both journey are valid. Do not compare your timeline with other. Your journey is unique. Give yourself time to grow, explore, and evolve. As we conclude today's TEDx talk session, remember that your passion is not something you wait for, it is something you build through courage, curiosity, and consistency. Start small, start curious, and keep learning. One day, the thing you once tried quietly may become the purpose that defines your life. So, viewers, finding your passion is not about having all the answers today. It is about having the courage to keep searching. Many times we feel lost because we compare our journey with others, but every person walks a different path. Growth happens quietly through small efforts, daily learning, and continuous self belief. When we allow ourselves to explore without fear, we slowly discover what truly makes us feel alive. So, passion is not always loud or dramatic. Sometimes it appears in the small moments when you enjoy learning something new, when time passes quickly while you work, or when helping others bring you satisfaction. These moments are clues guiding you toward your purpose. Instead of waiting for a perfect opportunity, start appreciating these small signs and let them lead you toward meaningful success. Life do not require us to be perfect. It only asks us to sincere with our efforts. Many dreams remain unfinished because people give up too early and or doubt themselves too much. Remember that every expert was once a beginner who decided not to quit. Your passion grows stronger every time you choose progress, our comfort, and courage, our fear. Sometimes the biggest obstacle between us and our passion is our hesitation. We wait for approval, validation, or the right moment, but the truth is that the right moment begins when we take the first step. Even small actions can lead to extraordinary outcomes. Believe in your journey even when the results are not immediately visible. So, viewers, this is my chat GPT. Viewers, this is my TEDx talk Hope so you like it. Meet you in next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.